Hello, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to test the profile that you've created on your Motorola MC9500 series handheld scanner. So the first thing, to make sure that we're all on the same page, let's go ahead and click on the bottom left corner where the Windows logo icon is. That'll bring up this screen, and then you want to go to your home menu. Once you're inside of home, select your network, and that'll bring up your Fusion Manager. Inside your Fusion Manager, we're going to scroll down and we're going to select the wireless status, and this will give us a status of our network. We're going to select the IPv4 status, and inside of here you should see IP address information, subnet, gateway, that sort of thing. If you're using DHCP or the server assigned dynamic IP address and you see information in here, that means that at least your wireless handheld is connected to the router and it's actually handing out DHCP information. If not, then you'll need to troubleshoot your connection to your router. In case you're using a static IP address, this information would be in here because you'd have entered it in. But we want to then go in and diagnose the ping test all the way to the router to make sure that that is working correctly there. So we'll hit OK here. We'll hit OK one more time. Then we'll go right back into our Fusion Manager. We'll scroll down again, and this time we're going to select Wireless Diagnostics. On this one we're going to do a ping test, which is the first option, and we're going to start the test. You should see total transmit and total receive, and they should be identical. So as one increases, so should the next. For every transmit, you should also get a receive packet. And they should be very close in time to each other. There should not be a long delay in time between the changing of them. One other thing that you can look for is your signal strength. It should be close to it should be 100 actually to be perfect. But it'll tell you the speed that you're transmitting at and the amount of signal strength that you have. And if those all look good, you can go ahead and stop the test, then hit OK, and hit OK one more time, and you should be good to go. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that we can actually get out to the internet. But before we do that, we're going to want to test, we're going to want to configure it so that it's a mobile device rather than a desktop device, or at least confirm that it's configured that way. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start at the Windows logo here again. We're going to select our Internet Explorer. Inside of Internet Explorer, you'll see this screen come up. Click on this little circle here with the dots in it. Select the next icon over with the horizontal lines on it. Inside of that menu, you select Tools. Inside of the Tools, you select Options. Inside of Options, you want to select Other. You want to make sure the mobile device is selected. You select OK, and that'll set that option. You select OK one more time, and then you're back to this screen. Wait till it disappears. Okay, then you can click on this little circle here. You can go up to the top and you can browse a web page that you might want to see. I happen to have mine on Internet Explorer, on Microsoft's web page. If you just type something in there that you want to see and go ahead and tell it to load it up, you should see that website load up. You can go to Motorola.com or something like that. You have to make sure you put in the http://, otherwise it won't work. And if you get to the website, that means that your profile is all set up and configured properly and everything is working great. Thank you for watching this video.